Hello and welcome to this video on using ClickFunnels to promote webinars or online events and upselling attendees on related products or services. First, let's talk about why ClickFunnels is a great platform for promoting webinars or online events. Link in the description box to get a free ClickFunnels account. ClickFunnels has a built-in webinar platform that allows you to easily create and promote your event, as well as collect registrations and manage attendees. Additionally, the platform has a wide range of marketing tools and features that can help you to increase visibility and reach for your event. So, how do you use ClickFunnels to promote your webinar or online event? The first step is to create a landing page for your event using the ClickFunnels platform. This landing page should include information about the event, such as the date, time, and location, as well as a registration form for attendees. You can also include images, videos, and other media to help promote your event and entice people to register. Once your landing page is set up, you want to start promoting your event to your target audience. This can include things like social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. ClickFunnels has built-in tools for each of these channels that can help you to easily reach your target audience and increase visibility for your event. Once your event is over, the next step is to use ClickFunnels to upsell attendees on related products or services. To do this, you'll want to create a sales page for your products or services and include it as a follow-up to your event. This can be done by sending out an email to attendees with a link to the sales page, or by including the sales page as part of the event follow-up process. To help increase conversions on your sales page, you want to make sure that your page is optimized for conversion. This can include things like using persuasive copy, including testimonials from satisfied customers, and including a clear call to action. Additionally, you can use ClickFunnels' built-in split testing and analytics tools to test different versions of your sales page and determine which one is most effective at converting visitors into customers. Once your sales page is set up, you'll want to start promoting it to your attendees. This can be done through email marketing, social media marketing, or even paid advertising. Additionally, you can use ClickFunnels' built-in affiliate program to recruit affiliates to promote your products or services for you. In conclusion, using ClickFunnels to promote webinars or online events, and then upselling attendees on related products or services, is a great way to increase your revenue and grow your business. By using the platform's built-in tools and features, you can easily reach your target audience and increase conversions. Additionally, the platform's split testing and analytics tools can help you to optimize your sales page and increase conversions even further. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.